Hello, good day. I welcome you on board. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register domain on Namecheap. It's going to be a live tutorial. We are going to show you from A to Z. Now, let's get started. The first thing for you, just on the search bar, type namecheap.com. Namecheap.com. Click on enter. Now you are on namecheap.com. You are expected to log into your account. Let me sign into my account now. Verification code. Now I'm in my dashboard now. I have $7.64 on my top up. Now navigate to where you have domain. Click on domain search, name search. Okay, now I'm on my domain search. Now I have a domain name which I'm trying to get. Okay, let me go for Vital Health Zone. Okay, let me try another name. Okay, let me go for Wellness Hub. Click on search. When I search for Wellness Hub, it shows taken. It means that this domain has been registered. Can you see it now? It's been taken, in which I don't have access to .com, but I can use another extension. We have numerous extensions there in which I can make use of, but I'm trying to get those .xyz, but they said it was $1,450, in which I'm not capable to buy this time. Let me try to trick the name a little bit. Okay, let's go for Mindful Health. Now, Mindful Health. Mindful Health is available, mindfulhealth.com. Mindfulhealth.com was registered in 2011. It's been taken in, which I don't have access to, but I can look for other extension like this XYZ. Okay, now I can now click on add to carts, but let me try. Okay, mindfulhealth.xyz. Okay, let me try. Let me trick it a little. Okay, I think I have one here, which is okay. Okay, let me look for this one. Skin revive. Skin revive. Z at the back. .com. It shows that skinrevives.com is available. I can click add to cart, but since I have around 7.6 for a top up, let me go over the one with XYZ so that I can show it to you how to make use of this thing. Okay, add to cart. Click on checkout here. Okay, there's an extension which is honey cup. Can you see it there? It shows that I have 10 coupon codes in which I can enter to this coupon section. Let me click on the extension. Let the extension do. Okay, latest coupon code available. Copy. Sorry, copy. Let me know that it work. I don't know what's happening to my listing. TLD 2080 TLD 23D 23T sorry T SAP. SAP. Click before apply. It shows that this coupon has expired or has already been applied to your account. Unable to apply coupon code. Coupon code has already expired. Because I'm trying to buy a domain of $2 with icon fee of 0.18 cents. Okay, let me click on confirm order. Continue. Okay, it asks me to enter my details here. No, I'm trying to buy from my existing funds. Okay, can you see it now? Before it was on secure card payment, but now I've switched to account funds since I have $7.64 in my account. Let me click on continue. Okay, click on pay now. Okay, the order has been processed. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video and share this video to your friends. Okay, the payment has been completed. It means I bought a domain of $2 with icon fee of 18 cents. They asked me to manage the account. That is how to buy domain on Namecheap. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.